This mushroom and tarragon risotto is our lightened up version of an Italian classic. Made without any butter or cream, it's fresh and clean tasting but still as comforting as ever. Start off by soaking 15 grams of dried mushrooms in 200 milliliters of boiling water for around 5 minutes. The dried mushrooms add a gourmet touch and a strong, bold flavour. Fry an onion and 500 grams of mushrooms with 1 crushed garlic clove for 4 to 5 minutes. We've used chestnut mushrooms, but feel free to choose whatever's in season. Drain and chop the dried mushrooms, be sure to save the broth, and add them to the pan along with 300 grams of risotto rice. Add 700 milliliters of hot veg stock and the saved mushroom water and simmer for 15 to 20 minutes, stirring often. Stirring releases the starch in the rice and gives the risotto its signature creamy texture. When the stock has been almost absorbed, stir through 100 grams of spinach and 15 grams of fresh tarragon leaves. The tarragon adds a subtle anisey tang. Then mix in 20 grams of grated fresh Parmesan and the juice of half a lemon. Serve just as it is, or with some grilled chicken or fish.